Hi there. I just wanted to share with you these laundry mesh bags for bras, underwear, lingerie, any sort of hand washing clothing that you want to take extra care with. This comes in a 5 of bright, fun colors. And I'll just show you the bag itself is really well made as well. So it's got this long zipper, lots of room in here. They're a good size. The zipper, it goes all the way across. The zipper is easy to open and close. And then it also has on the end here, it has a nice protected cover on the pull of the zipper, so it's not going to get caught and snag on any of your items in the washing machine either. So that's a great attention to detail there. The bags themselves are really well protected, and they have on the inside, the seams are very well sewn together as well to keep the bag intact, so it's not going to rip and destroy in your wash. It's nice and soft and pliable, so it's not going to wreck any of your laundry or scratch anything. It's smooth and great. So highly recommend these. A 5-pack is great. I will use them for all of my bras and underwear. So I want to send a shout out to the brand finally. So thank you so much for gifting these to me. I will be using these. My laundry will be protected forevermore now. If you're not using something like this in your laundry, you should be. It will make your items last that much longer.